Hi everybody, it's my first time in YouTube in English language. For a petition of a follower, I'm gonna, he told me, Mohammed Dr. J6 J9V. No English guys, so it's one of my first videos and I'm recording in YouTube, but I don't know, I don't understand what is happening here, but okay, so I'm going to explain and try to explain the software Crocodile Clips in English. I don't prepare anything, but let's go. First of all, this software is really odd, because when I start to study electronics in around 2000, at the beginning of 2000, I start to study electronic, and in that age, imagine that I can find this software. It's really easy, it's really cool to practice, to learn about electricity, some mechanical stuff or something like that. So I'm gonna explain the menus, the components, and that's all. This tool you can download it through internet in the main web page, Crocodile Clips. Only you can find in Google. It's very easy. After that you download it, and after that installing, and you have a good tool to work in electronics. So whatever program or software you can find, there are menus. File, for example, if you check in this box, file, you can find all these new, open, close, as a Word or whatever other program. You can open a new template, close, save as, print, etc. Edit. In edit you can delete, cut, copy, paste, select all. It's a similar way as your Word or whatever other program. View. In view you can configure, enable or disable animation, component values, proof, and forward you can find a lot of these items. So in this moment I just want to mention it, okay? Add is to add other components in electronic, or to add text or books or picture. You can do that in this field, or in this file. Measure, sound, option, okay. The components. It's really important when you're learning about electronics matter or something like that. You can use the main components. You can use the first experience to acquire this knowledge. And first of all, we're going to draw a easy circuit. This tool is really important when the Crocodile is the tool to delete components, okay? For example, if you put a battery, you can delete it with this tool, okay? Open it, mouse, and edit. So we're going to construct the first really simple circuit in electronics or electricity. So first of all, I'm gonna install a battery or power supply. In this moment, when you put or you select the component, you appear the level of voltage you can change, okay? In this moment, by default, appear 9 volts. So in this box you can find or can change this the value, kilovolts, or only volts, or millivolts, or microvolts, okay. volts, 9 volts. It's a battery, a square battery for 9 volts. Other devices, switches, you can find a lot of switches, but we are going to do the example with a easy circuit. First of all, I'm going to delete all of these components. It's very easy to use, but the best way to understand the operability of this software is to connect the device. So the first circuit we can connect is a okay. I'm gonna, in this view you can find the animation. So, and this is a switch. We're going to connect a resistor, 1 kilo ohms. First of all, it's important you know about the theory of the components, symbology, what is the meaning of this symbol or sign, and finally the LED, sorry, or LED. So you are going to choose a red LED, and that is the first circuit. Now we are going to connect the wired, and remember it's a series circuit. So first of all, connect 9 voltage to the interrupt or switch. After that, we are going to connect through the resistor and to the anode of LED or LED. After that, the cathode of the LED, we are going to connect to the negative of the source. And view animation. So I'm gonna change the state of the switch. In this moment, we are going to make a simulation of these circuits. Just only permit through current about the circuit and interrupt or open the circuit, and after that we are the current is no flow over there. So thank you very much for your attention, and see you next time.